Hey YouTube, what's up? I'm Saad Khan, you are watching the Nerdy Tech Expert. Today we are unboxing an RGB headphone stand from Redragon. It's the Scepter Pro, which also doubles as a USB hub through which you can install your USB dongle, you can plug in your microphone which is USB powered, you can plug in your mouse or keyboard. So let's get into the unboxing. So here we have the Redragon Scepter Pro gaming headset stands box. The packaging got a little damaged while shipping, so I hope the product itself is safe inside. A Redragon logo on the side, it looks very good. On the back you can see you can use it with the USB ports, and you can plug in your mouse, keyboard, headphone or mobile phone as well. And they are also showing that RGB lighting and the 4 USB ports. It also says that it has dynamic RGB lighting, 10 lighting effects, 4 USB 2.0 ports and non-slip rubberized base for stability. Okay, so let's open it. Right out of the box, on the top we get the USB TypeC port, as you can see. And here is the stand itself. There is one USB port here, one on the other side, and two here. These one also come with the dust protection, which is a good thing. Okay, so this is the stand itself. Let's plug it in and see how the RGB works. This is very pretty, and you also have this button here, if you can see, a little button, and when you tap on it you can change the effects according to what you like. See, now it is cycling through the colors. So this is a little unboxing of this stand, the Redragon Scepter Pro with RGB and a USB hub. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell icon so that whenever we upload a new video you get notified right away. Till then, goodbye from the Nerdy Tech Expert.